Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec Tailgate Table, compatible with both the earlier 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, as well as the newer 18 and up Jeep Wrangler JL. And we built some really cool features into our Quadratec Tailgate Table that make it just as functional for you when it's in the stowed or closed position as it is when you have the table fully opened up. The Quadratec Tailgate Table features a heavy-duty 1/8" steel construction combined with the braided steel support cables. It's capable of supporting up to 50 pounds when it's evenly distributed across the table. That means this is going to be the perfect place for you to complete that trailside repair or maybe simply prepare your lunch. Now, the working space of the table when it's opened up is going to be 26.5 inches wide by 11 3/4 inches deep. And as you can see, we do feature 2 cutouts here to act as cup holders to help ensure that you don't spill your drink, even if you happen to be parked on uneven ground. Now, up here on the back frame of the tailgate table, you will see a laser cut Quadratec logo, as well as 2 rubber bumpers. Now, once you close the table up and secure it with the dual latches, they're going to pull it nice and tight against those bumpers to ensure that the table remains rattle-free even on those washboard roads. You'll see another laser cut Quadratec logo right here on the bottom side of that table. Now, with the table in the closed position, it will stand about 5 inches off the interior trim of your tailgate. And as you can see, that's because we've included a really great basket here on the underside of the table to give you some additional storage in the back of your Jeep. This is a great place to carry things like maybe your tire repair kit, a recovery strap, or maybe even your trail trash bag when it's not hanging on the back of your spare tire. Now, speaking of trash bags, we've also got 2 integrated hooks right here on the bottom side of that basket. A great place to secure your trail trash bag or any plastic trash bag or even plastic grocery bag for that matter. Definitely going to come in handy when you're preparing food back here at the back of your Jeep. Now, if you're going to be preparing food, odds are you're going to be having a drink, and that's why we've included a built-in bottle opener right here on the underside of that basket. I will say the bottle opener works a whole lot better when the table's in the open position than when it's in the closed position. Of course, you wouldn't want to spill any of that drink while you're opening it. Now, right here on the bottom side of that basket, you'll also notice the integrated MOLLE cutout pattern there that allows you an easy way to attach MOLLE accessory bags to give you some more great organized storage right here at your tailgate. Now, getting the Quadratec Tailgate Table installed on the back of your Jeep Wrangler JL is a very simple procedure. In fact, you'll start by simply removing the plastic trim on the inside of your tailgate. Once you have that removed, you're going to be drilling 4 holes into the plastic trim. 2 lower holes are marked by existing dimples already in place on the back side of that trim from the factory. And then the 2 upper holes are going to be on the removable trim section that again are already marked by 2 plastic standoffs that make it really easy to get all those holes in the exact location on the first try. And once you have those holes drilled, we can reinstall that plastic trim panel onto the tailgate. Then you'll slip the included spacers in place and secure the tailgate table with the included hardware. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Quadratec tailgate table for the back of your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK or 18 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL, you can click that info button, head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the table or how to get it installed, you can always leave those somewhere down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.